Here's how to use Costco tire inflator. So basically here you're gonna set your plus and minus, check your user manual, check your pressure 32, and then you're taking this nozzle. So basically when you push it in, first you remove the cap. I'll show you. There's a little lock that you have to do. So here you push it in. See, you take this thing here, you can move it back and forth. So when you put it on your tire tube here, you have to lock it here, and then the inflator will automatically fill it up to 32. So for example, I'm gonna put it here and then push it over in, and then you will hear the beep. One is, oops, yeah, you hear the beep. One is end here, and you're done. Hope it helps. Simple process, but you might get a little confused on how to lock the inflator to your tire so the air will go in. Thanks for watching. I need to stop by Costco and put some air in my tires. After inflating my tires, I still have to drive maybe another 30 miles or so and see if the signal here will disappear. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you folks on the next video.